Page 7, E and F workout. Two new notes. I'm throwing two of them at you at once. Don't know why, but they are, so okay, let's deal with it. So first let's take E, one note at a time here. E on a piano, on a group of two black keys, and E is the top one. Remember C was below it? Well, E is the top one. It goes C, D, E. E's all over the place. All over. Okay. You just memorize what E is. And in the music, an E is the bottom line in treble clef. Bottom line is an E. So we have the C, D, and the E now. They're also throwing an F at you. Well, the F is the next one up. So an F is out of a group of three. It's the bottom one of a group of three. Three here. These are Fs. Okay. And the F we're talking about is the bottom space in treble clef. And that's this F, the one right above middle C. So now with these, we got four notes. We only got, what, three more to go? Okay. So I'm going to leave it to you from now on to know the names of these four notes on the keyboard and where these notes are in the music in treble clef. And they only give you one line of this, and there's both notes being used. And they have a 3 and 4 above the hand, above the staff. Those are finger numbers. They're telling you use finger numbers 3 and 4. Well, that's wonderful. So what are they? Well, they show you at the top of the page. They're numbered. And if you're a violin player, string player, the numbers are different because string players don't use the thumb, typically. String bass might, but the violin player doesn't. So they use only 4 fingers, but we have to use all 5. So the thumb is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the way it is. And they're telling you to use 3 and 4, but they're not telling you which hand. But if you look at it, if you put 3 here, you can't put 4 here if it's left hand. So it's got to be these. They tell right hand. So they want you to use 3 and 4 fingers on this in the right hand. Okay, fine. You could use any fingers, but that's all right. We can do that. It's good. Good practice. We need to be using these fingers more anyway. So then we play this thing, and we got the quarter notes and half notes. We see that? Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's E and F. You're saying that's not much practice of playing them, but you're going to be playing them through the book. So you're going to get plenty of practice coming on. The idea here is, for right now, you need to know what these notes are on the keyboard, these keys are, and know what all these notes are in the music.